Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day here with the Crave Cook. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the best Southern buttermilk fried chicken. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box. So to my bowl I'm adding some Old Bay hot sauce, some buttermilk, and some ranch seasoning. Yep, 1 tablespoon. Be generous with it, guys. It has really good flavor. So whisk everything in really nice and smooth. Now we go in with the rest of our dry ingredients. And these ingredients, guys, will be listed, as I mentioned, in the description box along with the measurement. And I'm adding half a cup of club soda. Yep, and continue to whisk. So now we will go in with our chicken. Make sure everything is submerged and covered with that sauce. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. Now we will cover this and let this sit. Well, I did mine for about 2 hours. You can do yours for 30 minutes if you're short of time. So to my flour, I did add some paprika, some chili powder, and some cornstarch. We'll whisk that in nice. Make sure everything is combined. So after a few hours, I remove my saran wrap and I'll be flouring the chicken and I'll let that sit for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. You need that crisp and that crunch. Look at that, guys. Make sure to shake all the excess flour off of the chicken. Look at that. We will do that for all of our chicken and let it rest before we head to the fryer. So that is our chicken, guys. It has been floured and it has been sitting there for about 15 minutes. Yep. So now we will fry that on very low heat. Normally I would say 350. Guys, but regulate your stove because this burns very fast. So I did mine at 210 to 250. Like I had to keep regulating the heat so as to get that golden looking chicken because you need the inside to cook. So there it is, guys. Look at those babies. Amazing. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Those who are here, thank you so much. Give this recipe a try and thank me later. You guys do have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Enjoy.